Okay, let's look at this next one. Looking at 2, I'm going to find where 2 is underlined and read the sentence. It says the European International Model United Nations, which is a model of the United Nations, TIAMUN, who knows if I'm saying that right, started in 1987 when a group of American students on an exchange program in the Netherlands organized the first conference as part of their focus on international relations. So what I notice is that Model United Nations is inside the description of the acronym, which makes this redundant. I don't need to repeat that it's a model of the United Nations. Even when reading it, that sounds awkward. So I know it's definitely not no change. Then I'm going to look at my answer choices, and I'm looking for one specifically that address the redundancy. G, being a model of the United Nations, still redundant, don't need it. H, which is a model UN, still redundant. J makes the most sense because we don't need to repeat that it's a model United Nations if it's within the term. J communicates the meaning in the most concise way. Now looking at 3. It says the organizers hope to educate participants about the working of an international organization in order to combat a growing sense of isolationism among European youths. Okay, let's look at my choices, see if there's a more concise one. The increasing and growing isolationism. Increasing and growing mean the same thing. That's redundant, taking that out. A growing feeling of isolationism and separation. Isolationism and separation mean the same thing, taking out that choice. The increasing isolationism and sense of alienation. Isolationism and sense of alienation, same thing. So the only non-redundant answer is to keep A.